Welcome back to Texas Mommy. My name is Amanda, and today I was going to be going over with you my first ever IPSY bag. I am so excited. So if you'd like to continue watching, just continue. Okay, so now to get started. Like I said, this is my first ever IPSY bag. I decided to try it out because some of my other friends had, so let's go ahead and open it. I opened this part, but I promise I have not peeked inside. I'm so excited. Let's see. So, ooh, butterflies. Oh, and look, this is like a pinkish rose gold. If you can see right here, that's like a pinkish rose gold with this lavender on the back. And look, let me show you the butterflies. They're so pretty. So let's open the bag and see what's inside. So we have a card, and it says social butterfly. Fact, life's too short to skip all the fun stuff happening right now. Instead, we challenge, ooh, it has a challenge. It says we challenge you to be your best self, have your best spring, and RSVP yes to everything that comes your way. A new friend request? Yep. Sunday making party? Sunday, like ice cream Sunday, not Sunday, like the day week Sunday, like, you know, ice cream. Making party with your niece. Random date night on a Tuesday. Heck yeah. Oh, that'd be awesome with my husband to go on a random date night. That'd be amazing. 90s trivia and wine tasting. You're in. Well, yeah, because if you don't know already, I am a 90s kid. I was raised in majority 90s, so I should be really good at the 90s trivia. Continuing. It says swipe right, check yes, and load up your calendar. You're going to be one busy bee this month. Luckily, we've got your hair, makeup, and a mani plan covered. Don't forget to head over to the IPSY mobile app for inspo, so like inspiration, ideas, and everything you need to know about your glam bag picks. And find us on Facebook so you can get social with other IPSTers who love beauty too. Hashtag IPSY social butterfly. It's like, this is so pretty. I love how it does have the inspiration back here on to say yes to the month, because sometimes we just need that. We need that motivational kick in the butt. So let's see. First we have Mud Masky, a facial detox purifying recovery mask. Pore refining, hydrating, anti-aging. Ooh, that's also great. Especially as like a mom or just pretty much anyone. I mean, you don't want to look old if you're not old. I mean, even technically when you're old, you don't want to look old, but continuing on. It also says brightening and smoothing. So that's pretty awesome. So you can see right here, this is it. And let's see what else is in here. Ooh, oh, sorry, it's running away from me here. Trifle Cosmetics. Sugar Bunny Heavenly Lip Scrub Exfoliant pour les lèvres. Yeah, I'm not French, sorry about that. Not, and of course it says not for resale. Well, I guess, I don't know, somebody might want to resell it, so yeah, it says not to. So look how cute this is. It is so cute and little for your lips, so that's going to be awesome. I've actually never used a lip scrub before, so this is going to be a brand new thing for me to try out. So let's see. Oh, this is pretty. CopperMechimia.com. Mechi and Mia. So this is the name. And look at this color. It is so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna have to swatch this, guys, because oh my god, this is gorgeous. And it even has like this little seal on here, which is really good because, you know, I wouldn't want my product to have gotten out and gotten all over my brand new bag. So let's open this. And look, it has even little green thing right here to cover it so that it doesn't go everywhere. Oh, come on, handy dandy. My nails. Oh, and actually these are my real nails. I actually use the, what do you call them? The dip powder. So if you are curious about the dip powder, let me know and I will do a review for you on them. I have been using it and I know I'm not a nail tech. I'm not very good at it. So I'm not gonna do the best possible job I can all the time. Trust me, my husband says I can work at it all the time, like that it's not even and stuff. So, okay, now that we finally got this off, let's see. I didn't even get that much. Goodness. I guess maybe like if I took the cap off like all the way. There we go. Kind of like you do with, ooh, that's pretty. Okay, so if you can see here, there we go. I actually put like this on this weird part of my arm, but here, if you can see right here, let me try turning my arm this weird, ridiculous way that you can see it. It is very pretty. If you can't, you can see it on my finger maybe right here. I did swatch it, but I'm not a professional swatcher. I don't usually swatch my makeup. I just kind of put it on. So yeah, but this is gorgeous. I'm gonna have a lot of fun, and yeah. Now my table is gonna be really sparkly because I got it on my table. So let's see, we now also got this Starstruck limited edition eyeliner. Oh, this is a double eyeliner. So it has eyeliner on this side and a stamp on this side. So let me take this plastic wrap off so I can swatch this for y'all as well. Okay, now that I have actually finally took all the plastic wrap off, I have this pen, and I would try to swatch it on my other arm, and that way you can see it. So we have a star right here. So let me show you that. It is literally a star. I don't know if you can see that very well. My daughter will probably have a lot of fun with that side because, yeah, I don't see myself using that. And then we do have our eyeliner on this side. So let's see. Ooh, that is really thick. Wow. Okay. And again, I'm not putting it like on the right side of my arm. But if you can see right here, this is a very thick line. Let me get closer. So you can see here's a line, here's the star. So that is what was swatched from that. And I think there should have been one more thing. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Did I lose it? Did I lose my other thing? I had lost it. It was actually in my pink bag. And it is this brush right here from Glamour Dolls. And it looks like a blending brush, like for your crease. If you can see right here, it does have the pink end. And let me show y'all where it has the name Glamour. So I've never actually heard of this brand. It does feel extremely soft. Ooh, that just feels really good. This was my very first IPSY bag. I'm in love with this eyeshadow. It's like, oh my god, so amazing. I cannot wait. But this bag is also amazing. Sorry about that. This bag is also really good too. So this is actually all of my product that I got for my very first IPSY bag. So overall, I would give it definitely a thumbs up. And if you agree, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. That way you can see more of me every time I go ahead and upload a video, which is every Tuesday and Thursday. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I actually will be getting into a Birchbox soon. And I actually did get the really good deal that was going on where it was you bought the one and then you got the other one free. So I will be getting not one, but 2 boxes, which will be amazing because I'm so excited. I've never ever tried this whole subscription thing where you buy it and it comes in. So it is a really exciting thing to me. And I hope it's exciting for you too. And if you do not order this, oh my goodness, I will leave it down below. I will leave a link to IPSY. That way you can order it from them and get next month's bag and see what comes in there, because I mean, this is just, if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you have subscribed, don't forget to hit the little notification bell that's right next to subscribe. That way you will get notified every time I upload a video. So hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Bye.